Now that we have had the opportunity to take a look at the writing prompt, let's take a look at the multiple choice portion of the exam. The questions in the pre-assessment are designed to support you in gaining information on your students' current ability on standards RI9 and RH9. The pre-assessments include a root cause analysis chart to provide insight into why a student may have answered incorrectly and instructional strategies aligned to the incorrect response. The information can be used to plan instruction, including differentiation and determining groups. The information can also be used as another area where students can self-reflect and set a goal for future academic success. Finally, the multiple choice questions are content agnostic. A student does not need to know the content to be successful on the assessment. The multiple choice questions are skills-based on standards RI9, RH9, in addition to skills-based standards. As shared earlier, what is great about the presentation of data in GoFormative is the clarity for the teacher. You can quickly look at the chart and see where your students struggled and where they had success. In addition to the easy-to-interpret color coding, GoFormative includes the percentage of students who answer the question correctly at the top of the chart. Take a moment to examine the chart. What are the 3 questions that the highest number of students answered incorrectly? You're absolutely correct. 6, 10, and 7. So let's go back to the assessment. These are the questions that the highest number of students answered incorrectly. So why did the students miss these questions? First, let's agree that the students read the question correctly. However, what if the root cause is actually the students reading the question incorrectly? You may remember from a previous training, Tap the Prompt, a strategy for teaching students to read the prompt correctly for an essay. We've included instructions for Tap the Prompt in teacher resources. On a multiple choice question, we also utilized a strategy where we highlighted the verbs and nouns. Similar to how we unpack the standards, this strategy is also included. But once again, let's agree that the students read the question correctly, but they still missed the question. So with that in mind, we're going to plan with data in an activity called Give One, Get One. So you're going to click on the link for your region, duplicate the slide template, and where it says add your name and school. Select one of the top 3 most missed questions. Then on your Give One slide, review the question and the response. Write down why a student may have missed the question. What is a skill or skills that a student needed to answer the question correctly? And based on why the student may have missed the question, write down one teaching strategy you could use to teach the skill to the class. For the Get One portion, you're going to review responses from your colleagues and learn something new. Please take 10 minutes to complete this activity.